hot water here turns into ice in a few seconds, and the temperature...
Top division, La Liga. Action from...
Mama, call you later! Oh no, what?
Fanta?
Sir? What's going on?
Eminem is...
Such a waste of wondrous time, isn't it? An epidemic that has plagued this world for years. I do not blame you for falling victim to such childish distractions, as it is a well-crafted means of keeping your attention. Don't you understand the world that you live in? It has very admirable features to it one would consider to be extraordinarily exquisite. And yet you choose to view it from a small electronic rectangle for hours on end. A rather disappointing strategy to exist, at least in my opinion. I have taken notice that even you condemn the concept of allowing such a primitive method of entertainment to imprison you as it has everyone else. Yet you find yourself ensnared in the same predicament as all the other victims. My employers have seen great potential in your abilities. But those abilities won't be useful if they are not acted upon. You have dreams, you have skill, and you have the chance to become something so much more while you are still young. Take my offer and free yourself from the chains of elitist mental prison.